Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to solve first degree equations using simple steps. Whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, let's quickly review what a first degree equation is. We have f of x equals ax plus b. So it's an equation where the highest power of x is 1. They are also known as a linear equation. Also, we have a must be different than 0, and a and b are constant. So now let's dive into our first example, a direct equation. We have example 1. We have 3x plus 5 equals 11. We will subtract 5 from both sides so we can isolate the term with x. So minus 5 here equals minus 5 in the second term also. So we will have here 3x equals 6. So now the first term here, we're gonna divide each term by 3. We divide this by 3 and we divide the second term by 3. And we will have x equals 2. So this is our answer. So now let's see the second example. Example 2. So now in our second example, let's see a fractional equation. We have 2x minus 3 divided by 4 equals 5. So how we can solve this equation? By 4 both sides. So we will have 2x minus 3 multiplied by 4 equals 5 multiplied by 4. So this one, 4 will cancel in the first term here, and in the second term we will have the first term, it will remain 2x minus 3 equals 20. So this one here now resemble to our first example. So what we're gonna do is to add 3 in both sides. We will have it will remain here. We will add 3 here, and we will add 3 in the second term. So we will have this one will cancel. We will have 2x equals 20 plus 3 is gonna be 23. So we will divide now both term by 2, and this one by 2. So we will have x equals 23 divided by 2. So x equals 11.5. 11.5. This is our answer for the second example. Let's see the third example. That will be equation with parentheses. So in this case, we will have 2. We open the parentheses. We will have x plus 4 equals 16. So in this one here, we will distribute the 2 to both terms inside the parentheses. Okay? So we will have 2x plus 8 equals 16. equals 16. So now we subtract 8 from both sides to isolate the term with x. So it will be minus 8 and minus 8 in the second term. It will remain 2x equals 8. So now we can divide both terms by 2. If we divide this by 2 and we divide 8 by 2, we will have x equals 4. So this is our answer. So now, to recap, we solve 3 different types of first degree equation. A direct equation, a fractional equation, and an equation with parentheses. Remember, the key steps are to isolate the variable and then solve for it. Practice makes perfect. So keep working on these type of problems. If you have any question or topics you would like us to cover, leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.